Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and since taking on the role of building Nokia phones, HMD has released an almost countless number of mid-range devices. But with this one, the Nokia 9 PureView, it's taking aim at OnePlus's affordable flagship territory. Perhaps the most interesting thing here though is the camera setup on the back. It has a total of 5 cameras, all of them 12 megapixel f-stop 1.8 ones, with 3 black and white sensors and 2 color sensors. It also has a time of flight sensor, as well as the LED arranged in this pleasing, precise pattern. Now what's a bit weird about this particular choice is that there's no ultra-wide or telephoto lenses to add more useful fields of view to your shooting arsenal, so it's hard to see why there's more than 2 of them. That said, you can shoot in bokeh mode to add blur and depth of field to shots, and using those black and white sensors, shoot some monochrome photos with true black and white. Design-wise, it certainly seems a classy, well-made premium phone on first impressions. The glass curves elegantly towards the edges on the back, and the ports and buttons are all sensibly positioned and nicely finished. And while that big QHD Plus screen on the front isn't completely bezel-less, we really like the symmetrical look of the slim top and bottom bezels. It doesn't really detract from its appearance at all. Other specs make this seem a very capable phone indeed. It has a Snapdragon 845 processor plus 6GB of RAM alongside 128GB of storage. All this power used, as always with Nokia, to run a very clean version of Android, which is almost identical to the Pixel software and part of the Android One program. And that means regular and timely software updates. In addition to that, there's a fairly capacious 3320 mAh battery, which you can either charge wirelessly or by using the fast charging power adapter included with it. At £549, it's priced similarly to the OnePlus 6T and has the specs and light software to match. What's more, its interesting approach to camera setups makes it pretty unique. It'll be interesting to see how these two compare. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. You can follow me there, ask me questions, use the comments below too, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and thumbs up button below. I'll see you again soon.